Thames nocturne of blue and gold changed to a harmony in grey. A barge with ochre-colored hay dropped from the wharf, and chill and cold. The yellow fog came creeping down the bridges till the houses' walls seemed changed to shadows, and his paws loomed like a bubble o'er the town. Then suddenly arose the clang of waking life. The streets were stirred with country wagons, and a bird flew to the glistening roofs and sang. But one pale woman all alone, the daylight kissing her wan hair, loitered beneath the gas lamp's flare with lips of flame and heart of stone. But one pale woman all alone, the daylight kissing her wan hair, loitered beneath the gas lamp's flare with lips of flame and heart of stone.